Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today we're talking dual fuel and what that means when we're speaking about ranges. What's dual fuel, you ask? Well, it's two power sources. It's the electricity for the oven and it's the natural gas or propane for your range top. In a dual fuel range, the advantages are with the gas top that you can adjust the flame accordingly to the pan size or the temperature needed to cook your certain item in that pan or pot. Electric cooktops result in some energy loss when that energy is converted into heat. And now onto the oven side. An electric oven keeps a more even, consistent temperature for your bakes. In a gas version of the oven, say you set your temperature to 350. That oven's flame inside is continuously rising and falling to try to keep the balance of your 350-degree temperature set. A gas range requires a gas line, and a dual fuel range requires both the gas line and the power source. This is a 220 plug. This is larger than your normal 110 outlet in your house that you normally find. You want to check with your manufacturer's specs to get correctly dialed in. The voltage can range anywhere from about 200 to 220 on the voltage and anywhere from 30 to 40 amps. So if you're not confident, call your electrician and find out. And if you don't have the correct plugs, it's not that hard for an electrician to come in and service that for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe for more. If you have suggestions for videos in the future, drop them below in the comments.